morning, everyone. Hopping right on in, we are using Arctic Fox hair color in the color Wrath, Cosmic Sunshine, and Aquamarine. So right here, I'm writing everything down because I have Dory brain and I can't remember what color goes where. So I'm writing down red, yellow, and blue, and red and yellow makes orange, and yellow and blue make green. And also red and blue makes purple, which I forgot and had to slide it in there. So just go ahead and write that in there before you start doing this. I've pre-sectioned the hair into about 1-inch sections, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paint in the exact order that I wrote on the paper. But I'm going to include the purple. Well, I'm not going to do it. You guys are going to do it because I already painted and then I had to go back. So include the purple. This step is very important. I'm painting all the colors separately at the same time. So I'm painting all the reds together. I'm painting all the greens together. I'm painting all the purples together, etc. Because you do not want these colors touching. You don't want them blending. So you're going to paint them separately and change your glove after every color. In order for this style to be this vibrant, it has to be on white hair. If you want to know how I got white hair, let me know down in the comments and I'll be more than happy to show you guys. This wig actually started as 613 hair and then I made it white. And I was like, you know what? I really want to do rainbow. So this is a perfect canvas. Why not? I decided to paint them in this specific order because I know myself and I know that I can get a little messy and I didn't feel like being extra neat. So I knew that orange is made by yellow and red. So you see right here where I got a little bit of red in the yellow, the next color is orange. So I can just take that little section out and just make orange. Does that make sense? I hope that made sense. Like I didn't want to do the colors in a crazy order like purple, green, yellow, because then I would have spots everywhere because I wasn't placing a barrier in between each color because I didn't feel like being extra neat. So I knew if I placed them in this specific order, if I messed up, it would be easy to fix. The rest of the painting process is kind of repetitive. So just keep painting in the same order until you're finished with the whole right side, and then I'll meet you guys on the left. When I mixed the red and the blue together, I didn't like how the purple looked. I thought it was too dark. So here you see me adding a little conditioner just to lighten it up a bit and give it a little more pop. Okay, so the next step is making the other side black. I'm going to cheat a little bit. So all of my pros out there, leave my comment section alone. I'm using Shades EQ gloss in the color 6N. I'm gonna do a full ounce, and then I'm also gonna take the color 3RV and do 0.2. And then I'm gonna do equal parts of the developer. Then just go ahead and apply that all over the left side of the hair. Make sure you fully saturate it And as far as time goes, you're only supposed to leave this on for 20 minutes, but I wanted the hair to get darker, so I just kind of left it on there until I felt like going back. So it might have been, honestly, maybe 30 minutes. After about the 25-30 minutes, I rinsed out the left side only with cold water, and then I towel dried it, and now I'm going to color it black. I'm using Shades EQ Gloss in the color 1B. I love this color. And I'm going to I didn't need to do that much. I should have just done like a ½ ounce. So if you guys are going to recopy this, just do it in a ½ ounce. You don't need a full ounce. And just reapply the black just like you did the 6N. And this time I decided to use a brush because I felt like I was going a little faster with it. But whichever way works for you. So after about 20 minutes, I finally rinsed everything out. I rinsed it separately. It has to be cold water or all of your work is going to bleed together and you're going to be pissed. So rinse the left side out first, the black side, in cold water until it runs clear, and then rinse out your rainbow. I didn't get a chance to film me rinsing it out because it was hard enough rinsing it out by myself. But rinse it with cold water. That is so important. And then after that, just style it like normal. And then you're done. You look like it. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below. If you try it, send it to me on Instagram. I really want to see it at IamDejaM. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. You like it like this?